With proven manufacturing expertise, we empower stable and sustainable business growth. Connecting industries, we move forward toward a more sustainable future. With over half a century of proven manufacturing expertise, we support stable and reliable industrial operations across global markets. ISO 9001 certified quality drives continuous manufacturing upgrades. Our solutions are engineered for both new installations and system upgrades. From customized applications to production line renewal, we ensure long-term operational stability. Across vacuum and blower applications, we deliver proven technologies designed for industrial reliability and long-term system performance. Our liquid ring vacuum pumps deliver international-grade performance with durable structures, stable operation, and low vibration for long-term reliability. Designed for corrosion, moisture, and low maintenance, our liquid ring vacuum pumps are a trusted choice for geothermal systems, proven across global renewable energy projects. Our centrifugal blowers provide high-efficiency operation across multiple airflow capacities. Integrated with inverters and high-efficiency motors, they deliver energy-saving and easy maintenance performance. For wastewater treatment applications, our solutions enhance aeration efficiency and reduce energy consumption, with proven reliability across projects in Taiwan. Our turbomolecular pumps create oil-free ultra-high vacuum environments, handling both inert and corrosive gases, with consistent pumping speed and high throughput. Leveraging Japan-Taiwan expertise, we support efficient semiconductor vacuum systems, shortening pump down time and reducing energy consumption across wafer and packaging processes. Across electromechanical drive and energy-saving applications, we integrate motors, control systems, and inverters to deliver stable and efficient industrial power solutions. DC motors, paired with professional motor control systems, with upgrade solutions that convert DC equipment to AC control. These solutions support equipment regeneration, production line upgrades, and long-term stable industrial operation. Through tailored solutions and trusted support, we support both new equipment installations and system upgrades, helping customers extend equipment life and build long-term system value. Our high-efficiency motors and flexible inverter systems reduce energy losses and temperature rise, supporting stable and energy-efficient industrial operations. Load-based output control and optimized peak power management reduce energy waste, improve system efficiency, and support energy-saving upgrades across facilities. We are committed to strengthening green industries and supporting sustainable sectors. Together with our partners, we move toward a low-carbon future.